my sir is there. He was my guru. Next, he was employee of DURGASOFT also. And we are multiple deals we did in the real estate simultaneously. Both required to travel frequently, ventures and so on. He's always using one word, Durga. Whenever you are mingled with just the watchman at the gate, you are going to behave like a watchman, keeping the hand on their shoulders. You are going to talk about all. How are you? By name you are calling always. Like if you are going to meet site supervisor, you will become automatical site supervisor. Like he is his close friend. You are also doing the same job. Like you are always going to behave. If you are going to meet site owner, the real estate company owner, then you are going to behave like a real estate company owner. These many variations, how you are showing, man, it's impossible for me. This is the exact word my partner, my guru, my colleague, that person used this word. I can't, it's impossible for me. I can't show. Get the person. What is the need of knowing what is your name? How are you? Like giving special sweet box for them. How you are doing all this, man? I'm feeling a bit jealousy. I can't do this. This is the statement that person used. Of course, I read this series long days before, right? I told right yesterday. Just Anna, just a small giving small importance, how much benefit I got. You start giving. If you start giving importance, they are always going to do their level best, man. Remember that careful. Your ego won't create food for you. Your attitude won't create food for you. Your attitude, your ego, the people are going to move far away from you. If you mingle with them, if you mingle just like their family member, they are start giving the importance, man. So in your life, anything is going to be happen because of people only. Be like a people magnet. How? If you want to become people magnet, first you require to start giving importance for others. The person who start giving importance for the others, the person who start giving protecting others self-respect, dignity, appreciation, forgiveness, with these kind of things, you will become people magnet. Remember, always criticizing, scolding, like next having attitude, showing ego, these kind of things won't work out.